Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2025, and we're here still. Somehow we've survived the heat in Salt Lake City, and I'm here with Fabian from Dectris, and I was hoping you could tell us about the hot new thing that you guys have in your booth.
So, I don't know if you're familiar with Dectris at all. We've been working on X-ray detectors, and for the last 5 years also with electron detectors, but since last year, we started working on a software solution for dealing with the massive amounts of data that come off the detectors nowadays and out of the microscopes. So we started Dectris Cloud, which is a platform for collaborative science. So you can upload your data, you can share with your collaborators worldwide with a few clicks. And it also provides, of course, the typical benefits of cloud storage and cloud processing whenever you need it, and you can scale it up and down depending on the data you want. We have pre-installed software environments for all the standard workflows, so for X-ray processing, EM processing, that is material science and life science. But also the users can make their own software environments and software workflows to share them with their collaborators as well. And this is just really there to enhance easy access to data, to software, but also to enhance the reproducibility when you go back and want to reprocess some data. The environments will still be there, ready to go whenever you need them.
Would this be best directed towards like research institutions or industry?
So right now we only offer this for academic institutions. We both have this product developed for the facility side, but also for the PhD student and postdoc that is working in the lab. So the base license, you start for free, you get a bit of consumption for CPU hours, GPU hours, and storage, so you can try your workflow, see that everything works, and store a little bit of data. And then it starts at $15 or $18, I have to convert, $18 a month.
It's 15 euros a month, right?
It's 15 francs, actually.
15 francs?
Yeah, they don't use euros in Switzerland.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Swiss francs. Oh my gosh.
It's Swiss francs,
Okay.
which is about $18, $19 a month. And that gets you started as a scientist. And then from the facility point of view, this is also very interesting for user facilities because they can have a facility license that they can transfer to the user who's currently using a beamline or the microscope for data storage and on-the-fly processing. And then they can say after a day, after 2 days, after a week, okay, we are no longer paying for your data in the cloud. Now you can either download it or you have to take over the consumption of that. That's the idea.
Okay. Well, that sounds interesting. If people are interested in finding out more about it, what is it called?
Dectris Cloud.
Dectris. Okay. Well, I was going to say Dectris Cloud, but that seemed
too simple.
It seemed too obvious. So if people are interested in it, where do they find you online?
Wait for it. Dectris.cloud.
.cloud. Okay. Okay, well, thanks a lot, Fabian. That's all we got from this one, and we got more from M&M 2025 coming up. Thanks.